guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Stephanie. So today we are going to learn how to count our age, because last video we have already learned how to count the numbers from 1 to 10, right? In this video I'm gonna teach you how to say your age. Okay, first of all, let's count 10 years old. Within 10 years old, how to say it. If you are 1 years old, you can use the number plus characters, Chinese characters, to express how old, right? For instance, if I'm 3 years old baby, so you introduce me and you can say I'm 3 years old. And in Chinese, if I'm 3 years old, I will say 3岁, because you know the number, right? Because you have already learned the number how to express 3. And then use the number plus Chinese characters to express how old. How old we use 岁, like old, like 3 years old. We will express it in Chinese like 3岁. 3岁. Alright? Did you remember that? The number 3, 3, and plus Chinese character 岁. That means 3 years old. Alright, so from 1 to 10, if you want to express your age within 10 years old, you can just use the number we learned before and plus the character 岁. Like 1 years old, we will name it 1岁. And for 10 years old, we will say it 10岁. Alright? What if you're 20 years old? Right? If you're 20 years old, we plus 10 in the middle of the number. For instance, 23. That means 2 plus 3, right? I mean literally, it's 2 plus 3, 2, 3, 23, right? So in China, we name it like 2, 10, and 3. 2 plus character 10 and plus 3. So you're 23 years old, we'll name it 23岁. Okay? Am I make sense? Alright, so let's think about that. What if I'm 35 years old? Like 35岁. So 35 literally is like 3, 5. And we name it like 3 plus 10 plus 5. 3 is 3 and 5 is 5. So totally it's like 35岁. 35岁. Alright? And if you're 70 years old, how to express 7 plus 0? 70. So if there's two numbers and the last one is 0, we usually just call it 10. For instance, 70 years old, we will say 7 plus 10 plus 岁. So we name it 70岁. You can learn the principle and then to express different years old, different age. For instance, what if you're 59 years old? You will say I'm 59岁. So it's the same. It's the principle. You have to remember the rule, how to express the age. That would make it easier for you to remember. Alright, well that's today's tip. If you like it, please give a big like for this video, and if you have any questions, just leave your comments below or just private message me on Instagram. Well, I'll be here always for your questions and to explain everything. As long as you are curious about the knowledge, then you're a good student. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time. Remember to subscribe my channel. Bye!